So guys, today we are going to tackle one of the most controversial questions in the trading world. Should you even trade in the morning? You've probably heard conflicting options. Some of them saying that morning hours are golden time for quick profits, while others claims it's the most dangerous period, especially for beginners. So who's right? So in this video, I will answer to all of your questions. Are morning sessions really more profitable? Or why do some traders avoid the first hours on the market? And most importantly, how to determine if morning trading is for you. We'll break down the real statistic, look at specific trade examples, and I will share also my personal experience. What do I prefer more? And since right now it's the morning, we have a great possibility not only talk about the theory, but also practice in real time. So I really recommend you to watch this video till the end, because before I was not doing the video about the morning trading session, so it's gonna be the first one. Sit comfortable, don't forget to subscribe, and let's go. So guys, here's our account, and as you can see, the market is already open. It's 7:30 by UTC time. I have a different actually time frame, like plus 3 hours, so for me it's not that early. So yeah, but here we can see before it was pretty good and strong upward trend. It achieved this resistance level and now going lower pretty confidently. And I'm gonna draw something for you. So here you can see it was the support level before, but now our price breaking through it. So it's pretty good signal to open a sell trade. So let's change the time to 3 minutes and the amount of money to 600, and we're gonna open here a sell trade. So let's check it out. By the way, if we change to M5, it will look a little bit different. That now it was like two green corrective candles here. But anyway, like in general, here's a downward trend and it should continue moving in the downward direction. I hope so. So let's wait for that. So the first question, are morning sessions really more profitable? So the answer for this is complex and depends also on multiple factors. On one hand, morning hours can indeed be more profitable due to high volatility because in the first 30 to 90 minutes after a market open, maximum price movements occur. So the asset can move 5 to 15% in just minutes. So this creates enormous opportunities for quick profits. Also, statistics shows that about 60 to 70% of daily trading volume occurs in the first 2 hours of the trading session. So it's in the morning when the most significant price gaps happen, overnight news, and also institutional investors actively enter positions. But however, high potential profits come with proportionally high risk also. So a lot of the research that I also read about shows that while you can earn more in the morning, you can also lose more, of course. So many professional traders do focus on morning sessions, but they possess this experience, also discipline and clear strategies. So my personal advice, if you are just a beginner, for example, you do trading for even a few months, I don't really recommend you to go to the morning market because not everyone could handle that. Definitely. We have, by the way, 1 minute and 7 seconds till the end of a trade. So it's going pretty well. We are in the plus. As we can see, yeah, it was some corrective candles firstly, but after our price reversed in the downward direction pretty fast. But also, like, why do many traders avoid the first hours of trading? And the main reason is unpredictability and chaotic movements, of course. Because in the first minutes after market open, price can move sharply in any direction without apparent technical reason. And guys, here we have 15 seconds till the end of a trade. So let's focus on that, open the next one, and we will continue also. So as you can see, it's going pretty well. We just catched here a downward movement. Is 3, 2, 1, and we close the trade in a plus. Okay, perfect. And guys, for those who's watching this video right now and thinking, oh my god, I cannot even trade in a day, and here's the morning trading session with so many difficulties and more, what should I do? So here's the solution. I have my own Telegram channel about trading. So there's all of the information that beginner needs to start. What is the risk management, the catch-up system, how to start trading, how to register on platform, and more and more. You guys, you need to know that a lot of people is selling this kind of information for a lot of money on the courses, and I'm just giving it for free. So I'm not gonna talk that much about that, because the people that want to find it and check it out will find the link in the description of this video, and we are continuing. And why not here? Let's open another sell trade for 3 minutes as well, because the downward trend is continuing here. It already broke the previous support level. So now maybe the next support level is going to be somewhere here. At the same time, it could be even lower. We cannot predict it for 100%, of course. So here is going to be the diapason of our price moving. So yeah, we were talking about that in the first hours of market, the price can move sharply and everything. So by the way, the payout here already 47%. It's not that great, but if we will close this trade, it's gonna be okay actually. So after we can change, for example, the assets and continue somewhere else. So we're talking about why the price can move sharply, unpredictably in the first hours of the market. So this happens due to, first of all, processing overnight news, because numerous news items accumulate overnight that the market must digest in the first minutes of trading, right? Also, second of all, supply and demand imbalance. So orders accumulated overnight create temporary distortions in pricing. So guys, for now we can see that it's 1 minute 50 seconds. We're still in the plus. It's fluctuating around our entry point. So I'm thinking of opening the rollover. Let's do that. It doubles our amount of money. Now our trade is for $1,200, kind of a lot. So yeah, let's wait here. Now we have more time for closing this trade in a plus, so it should reverse definitely. So while we wait for this trade, we will continue talking. So what is the other reasons why the price is moving so sharply and unpredictable? It's also algorithmic system activity, because robots and high frequency traders also are especially active in the morning, creating additional volatility, of course. Not so many people know about that. Also, emotional trading, of course, because many retail traders trade emotionally, reacting to overnight news, which amplifies the house. And of course, wide spreads. So in the first minutes, bid-ask spreads are at their maximum, increasing trading costs. So after all of this reason, you need to decide for yourself if you like morning trading or not. And actually, I don't think it's like that much convenient for a lot of people to trade in the morning, because you have, I don't know, your things to do, work, studying, or something else. So actually the best time for trading. So yeah, here is, you need to make the decision if you really like it or not. And my favorite thing, hidden traps of morning trading. So there's a several traps that exist that catch even experienced traders actually. So first of all, it's false breakout. False breakouts of support and resistance levels often occur in the morning. So price can sharply break through an important level, attract traders, then reverse in the opposite direction. It's my favorite one actually. Not, of course, it's the sarcasm, but anyway. It happens a lot, and it's always making me like, oh my god, I knew that it could happen. But at the same time, you cannot predict it for the 100%, because again, it broke the important level, and you think that, okay, if it's broke the important level, and when you see that the price broke the pretty important level, you understand that, okay, the for example, downward trend is continuing here, but after it could change, for example, as we have now. I hope it will close this trade, but if not, here is the trap I'm talking about, the false breakouts. Because now we have 132 till the end of a trade, we still doesn't have a plus, so let's wait here. So second of all, it's gap traps. So when a stock, for example, opens with large gap, many traders try to play gap fill, but often the gap continues to widen, leading to losses. So also need to know about this, but if you know about this, it's much more easier to not make these mistakes, of course. And third of all, it's pseudo trends. So morning movements may look like the beginning of a strong trend, but often they're just short-term spikes that quickly fade, unfortunately. So we have 50 seconds here till the end of a trade. Let's change our amount of money. 3K. Oh my god, that's gonna be interesting. Okay, so now it's 38 seconds till the end. So here it is. Here's what happened. Even though our price broke the previous support level, went lower, but at the same time, we never have the guarantees. Even if for example, our price broke the previous support level, and you're thinking, okay, it's gonna go in downward direction for a pretty long time, but at the same time, it could go lower a little bit than the previous support level, and after that make the reversal again, because you can't know for 100% when is gonna be the next support or resistance levels as well, because they're always changing. So yeah, guys, we didn't close this trade, so I'm thinking to find a new currency pair, because this one, I don't like it already. So yeah, let's open here a buy trade for 3 minutes, because we can see some pretty strong upward movement right now for the last candle. So here it could be the next resistance levels where price could move, you see. So yeah, but for now it looks like the start of pretty good upward trend. after some kind of the fluctuations, and it was a lot of the corrective candles here in the downward trend as well. So it should be good here. I hope so. Also, one of the hidden traps of morning trading is FOMO, fear of missing out. So fear of missing opportunities force traders to enter trades at movement peaks when the best opportunities are already gone. So sometimes this won't happen with me, of course, and it's absolutely normal. Just need to check it out, and to analyze your mistakes as well. That's why I really recommend you to do like the diary of traders. So where you text all of your trades, you analyze like why you closed this trade in the plus, why you didn't, what kind of indicators you used, for example, the open price and closing price, like everything. So that's how you will see the patterns that you always repeat and the mistakes that you always do. So now we have 1 minute and 30 seconds. It's going pretty well. As you can see, it's almost achieved the level that we draw before. Also, one of the traps is insufficient liquidity. So in the first minutes, some stocks may have low liquidity, leading to slippage and unexpected losses as well. Another one, we were talking about this, is news noise, of course, because many economic data releases and corporate news come out in the morning, which can override technical analysis. So now, guys, we have 55 seconds till the end. But also, how to understand if morning trading is for you. So it suits you if you have at least 6 to 12 months of stable, profitable trading during calm hours. Also, you can make quick decision under the pressure, pretty important. You have a clear risk management and strictly follow it. You're also willing to wake up early and be fully prepared for market open. And of course, you can control emotions under high stress conditions. So it's not for everyone, definitely. And I don't recommend the beginners to go through this like immediately. So it's better to practice first of all in the calm hours, and after try the morning, for example, one. So now it's 3 seconds, 2, 1, and we close the trade in the plus, guys. Perfect. So we made a pretty good result. So guys, let me know in the comments what type of trading do you prefer, in the morning or, for example, in the day, or maybe you want to try to trade in the morning. But my advice, also try it firstly on the demo account, and only after that go to the real account when you are sure about your knowledges and practice as well. Don't forget to give me some activity, the comments, the likes, and I will see you on the next trading session. Bye bye.